Peggy Knight here with your tip of the day, how to care for your wig. And this is a big, important topic because so many women who have either alopecia or chemotherapy loss, they might be wearing their wig for the first time. Some of you are buying your wigs online. You go online and you go, oh, there's a wig company. Oh, and it's cheap. So just be cautious. Remember, you get what you pay for. But they go on and they go, let's see, oh, that looks good. Oh, this color might be right. This length is good. And they cash out. And then it gets sent to their house and they get it and they have no idea what to do with it. So unfortunately, that happens to so many of us. So I'm asking you, if you get to that point and you are stuck and you need help, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. I've been doing this 40 years with women with medical hair loss. I don't do fashion. Don't ask me to get you ready for the prom, but do ask me if you are wearing hair for medical reasons. What happens when you travel? Now, I've got to say I'm an expert in this field. I'm a retired flight attendant for 25 years. I was flying the friendly skies and I get on my layovers and what do I do with my wigs? So I'm here to share a bit of that for you. What do you do with it? Well, the first thing you want to do is make sure, I know this is something that most people don't think about, but make sure wherever you put your wig, it's by the door. Why? Fire alarm. Woohoo! What are you going to do? Burn up? Are you going to spend time in the dark? Remember, there's probably not going to be any lights if it's a fire alarm, trying to figure out where you put your hair. Put it on, out the door you go, not only out in the lobby or on your floor, but actually outside. And so now you're outside. It's amazing what people sleep in. Just happened to me recently and I went, oh my God. But I'm glad because my hair was by the door. So I know how to pick it up, put it on, and out you go. Important. What do you do with it when you're traveling? Okay, what I do is I take a hand towel from the hotel and I roll it. And then I bend it in a reversed V. And I put it on a counter near the door. By the way, and your key should go there too, because you want to make sure you don't want to be fumbling for your key because you'll get stuck outside for hours. But you put it in a reverse V and then you just put your wig on top of it. It's a perfect head. It's a perfect storage place. So you can do that. And if it's synthetic, remember, if it gets anywhere near heat, it's going to frizz. As a flight attendant, I used to always wear one and carry one because you just never know. I'd work a galley and if the oven wasn't working, the heat would hit my face and my whole hair would just go brrr. So be careful of that. Let's see, what else would I do? I think that's about it. Make sure that you know where it is. Make sure it's on a towel folded, and that's what you need to do when you're traveling. Don't put it in a wig box. Remember the old wig boxes? Women would walk on the airplane. They'd have their makeup box here and they'd have their wig box here. We don't do that anymore. But if you're going to carry to, make sure that you stuff the inside. You can do it with, doesn't have to be paper, tissue paper. You can actually stuff the inside with your lingerie that you're traveling with, and then carefully put the hair in the direction that you want it to flow once it goes on your head, and then stick it in a plastic bag and put it in your suitcase. It'll smash a little bit, but not a lot. And a good thing is we don't wear those big beehive hairdos anymore. Most of them are pretty close to our face. So if you want more tips on how to travel with your hair, please get back to me. Peggy@peggyknight.com. I am here to help you. Thank you.